The story of mouse deer and elephant. A long time ago, in the jungle, there was a mouse deer. He was walking around in the forest. The mouse deer didn't know that in front of him there was a hole, and the mouse deer fell into the hole. He was trapped in a hole that had been made a group of hunters. Help! Help! Help me, please! The mouse deer screamed for help, but no one heard him. It was hopeless for him to escape from the trap. He waited and waited, and finally an elephant came. He was happy and asked for help, but the elephant is not smart enough to help him. The elephant did not know how to do. In the end, the mouse deer got a bright idea. He said to elephant, "Come down here, come down to this hole, so you can help me get out," said the mouse deer. Foolishly, the elephant agreed and followed the mouse deer's orders. The elephant jumped down to the hole. Of course, the mouse deer quickly hopped on the elephant's body, and then hopped out the hole. He was free and leaving the elephant trapped in the hole in turn. The end. Thank you for watching.